Well, you know, Angela, you gave us a little tease at the top of the 5. You said 0 and 58. What's up with those two numbers?
I've got them both in a 7-day forecast. Unfortunately, the 0 comes before the 58, but we do have a bright spot in the extended forecast. If you're ready for a taste of spring. Not spring-like right now. This is live Doppler 13 radar showing snow. Yes, another round, and some of this is fairly heavy, especially across the southern part of the state. I want to start in Indianapolis. Roads mainly wet at this point, but it is cold enough. If you would get under a steadier burst of snow, that could quickly change and lead to some slick or snow-covered roads. So keep that in mind if you are out and about this evening. We travel east along Interstate 70 through Newcastle, Greenfield, over towards Shelbyville, south to Rushville, into Connorsville and Richmond. Snow will continue to fall over the next couple of hours. By far the heaviest snow extends from Greensburg to Columbus, just south of Edinburgh along Interstate 65, and then between Bloomington and Bedford along Highway 50 as you move east toward Brownstown. These snow bands will continue to develop. In fact, as we expand the view, you can see this banding of snow extends across parts of the southern half of Illinois. So this is the weather system that we are going to be tracking over the next several hours. Got a great picture sent to us from Chuck Lofton. Remember, you can see him every morning on sunrise starting at 4 a.m. at the IUPUI Stadium. Soccer on a snowy day, and then of course we had Indy 11 retweet. Might need the orange ball. A couple of other pictures for you. This one from Nashville as the snow is coming down in Brown County, also coming down in Bloomfield. And remember, it's our southern viewing area that we expect most of the steady snow with this latest winter weather system. Bloomington, Nashville, Columbus, Bloomfield, also Bedford, Seymour, North Vernon, Greensburg, all under a winter weather advisory through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's where we're expecting 1 to 3 on the high end, 3 to 6. That would be for those of you in Bedford, Seymour, and North Vernon. Snow will come to an end late tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. Hour by hour timeline with Future Track 13. Keeping in mind this snow band is a little farther north. We don't think it's going to completely come to an end until late tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. Slowly improving weather conditions as we do expect to see a little bit of sunshine during the day tomorrow, but it's going to be a cold day. Starting the day near 10, 15 by noon, forecasting afternoon temperatures in the upper teens and low 20s. We're going to be stuck in the 20s nearing 30 degrees on Friday, but look at St. Louis, 44. There is some warmer air beginning to build out to our west, and we will see some of that in the 7-day forecast. We will also see a drier weather pattern take over as really the storm track will be oriented a little farther north as we head through the next several days. So in the 7-day forecast, a drier weather pattern and eventually a warmer weather pattern. We have to make it through a couple of cold mornings. 10 tomorrow morning, on our way to 17 tomorrow afternoon. Remember, we are expecting several inches of snow tonight, mainly across the southern third of the state. Near record cold on Friday, then on our way into the upper 20s, nearing 30 with some sunshine, close to 40, and we do have a dry forecast for both Saturday and Sunday. 50s early next week. Tuesday, 52. Wednesday, some sunshine and 58 degrees.